For the next 2 days, we're taking out the HammaH Jang 3000 and we're hunting down some onos. We'll be spearfishing and fishing in some of the most remote zones in Hawaii. We'll be cutting up our catch and cooking up some killer grinds. So let's go check them out. It's 4:45 in the morning and we're the first ones here. Well, you boys ready?
Yes, I am.
We got Brett and Russ over here. First time on the HammaH Jang.
First time.
Are you excited?
Oh, I'm super excited, man. We're gonna hit it harder today. Can't wait.
Yeah, just push it back. There you go. Cat.
HammaH Jang special. I skirted this. This is Uncle's colors. And then try to look this one. But I already caught one. Look. Yes, sir. On a baby, on a papa. Into the darkness. Hey. On a ball, boys. We get bait. Yes! Ah, look! He's there right now. Oh, we get doubles, triples. Oh, we get all kind of bait, boys. Oh, 4 piece!
Nice.
Yeah.
I like circle hooks so the bug will set itself when they eat. Some people like the live bait. Gotta go right through his nose like that. Feed him. Gotta be gentle. On a ball. In the water. And then the bait goes in tail first. Oh, we get candies, boys. Okay, close it. Boom, and toss that bugger back. But also big old pello ball.
So that's a bait tube and it keeps the pello alive.
Star Spangled Tangle.
Looks a little murky, definitely a little rough, but we'll see what happens.
Okay, hop in it.
I load up my brand new Evolved spear gun. Since it's a new gun, I wanted to test the recoil and see how she shoots. There's 0 recoil, but as soon as I shoot, Brother Kaimani hooks up to a fatty.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Well, nice mahi. Adrenaline. You know that kind? Oh, you know, and then. Yes.
That's awesome. Oh, boy, action.
As soon as Kaimani hooked up, Russ spots a fat ono. The ono takes off and you can see Russ dodges line right here. The ono makes a run for it, so I gotta swim as fast as I can to get a backup shot. I finally caught up to the ono, but it looks like it's trying to swim down to the depth, so I gotta dive down there and get to him quick. As I get closer, the ono goes deeper and deeper, but now I'm within range for a backup shot.
Right there, backup shot. Yeah, you got him. Yeah. Yeah, boys.
Oh, man, what a freaking awesome start to the day, huh?
Oh,
that thing's made a nice run, dude.
Yeah.
I see a pillow out here, too.
The mahi's close to 30?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Jeez, look at that. Whee! 1, 2, 3. Oh.
I saved this guy's life right here. There's blood coming out of his mouth.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, he had a medical emergency, I guess. One of his heart valves broke. We pulled him out of the water. He went dead white. All the blood gone. Called 911. They got down here. They had to fly him to Hilo. had an emergency procedure, saved his life.
No way.
Yeah, man. Last time I was literally down here, that was February.
Yep. HammaH Jang coming in clutch. So while we're getting that ʻāINA, Brother Kaimani got not one, but two mahis.
Not one, but two.
Not one, but two. Oh, don't put that on video, actually.
Sick.
Oh, we got the grinds. Mahi burgers tonight. How's action today?
Daddy Bentos.
That was a quick one today. Well, we're hungry. We're gonna go get some grinds right now. We're gonna make one quick stop at Pateles. Grab some ice real fast. Oh, you know where this guy's headed. What's for breakfast today?
Bro, chicken drumstick. I was kind of hoping for an Haagen-Dazs bar, but no more Haagen-Dazs. So I'm just gonna go and bang one fast drumstick. Hey, give it back. I should go sometime.
We're gonna stop by Choice Mart, the best Smart to choice from. ʻāINA is 17 a pound. Ahi is 25 a pound. Wow. Oh, where'd this guy run off to?
What you getting?
A strawberry smoothie.
That's the mahi juice special right there. Portuguese bean soup from Choice Mart. Not bad. What you rate this?
I got an 8, but it was real hearty. Good, filling.
What'd you eat after?
I just had some banana chips.
Banana chips, that's all?
Man, I was hungry. Yeah, I just had some chips and. Huh?
What do you think that was?
25, 28 maybe.
Nice fish. That is a nice
28, 21. I was right.
Yeah, you were.
I mean, it's the biggest one on the HammaH Jang.
Oh, this guy's not bad. Brother Russ coming through. Whew. Whoa. Yes, sir. Let's whip up some mahi burgers. First, we're gonna cut up the mahi, dip it in the egg wash, slap it with secret herbs and spices, cut up onion, lettuce, and tomato. We're gonna slice and dice the purple cabbage to make Kaimani's secret slaw. Oh, I'm excited to try this. Fresh mahi burger, straight off the HammaH Jang 3000. It's so crispy and fresh. It's a delicate white meat. This gotta be the best mahi burger ever created. So how you been healing up? Your leg seems pretty strong now, huh?
I get my last week of physical therapy on Friday.
Nah.
14 weeks I done physical therapy so far, twice a week. I get these weird phantom like things where I'll just be doing whatever, and then it's like super quick, sudden, sharp pain, and it's not like bad, like my life is over. It's just like,
Where is it painful?
right here, like on the outside of this part. That's where I feel it every time. and then my knee is super like, yeah, I feel them, but it's kind of numb still. Still getting all like my nerves back and everything. The muscles growing back. The tendon, I think, is probably the trickiest part of my recovery, since they had to replace it. It's all like tight. This leg, no problem, you know. This leg, it's like as far as I can go, and it's like this super tightness, like a pretty mean tightness in my leg right here. It stops me from going more.
You get the nurse to massage them.
All right, we're gonna go get the HammaH Jang ready for tomorrow. Whoa! Missed a step there, almost died.
Especially when the thing starts going down.
Uh-oh, we found a little boo-boo on the HammaH Jang. We gotta fix this real quick for tomorrow.
Shovel, boys. Clean up your area. HammaH Jang kind stuff. So we're gonna do HammaH Jang kind repair. So we should take some random fiberglass from Mahalo project. This is resin. This is the catalyst. This is what makes it hard. And you make them hot. As it sits, the fiberglass can soak up the resin. Then from there, you can try a second piece. There you go. Yeah, the fiberglass gives it the resin structure. Crack.
Okay, she's as good as new now. It's moi moi time. Shit! No more beds inside the house because Brother Kamani is moving. So I slept in my truck. And I got 3 hours and 6 minutes of sleep according to my watch. Let's go check them out. Yeah.
Yeah. Charged, ready to go.
Yeah, shy.
Solid. Get it.
It's HammaH Jang time. He's on the bench.
You guys ready?
How you doing?
Ready to roll.
Ready to roll, guys.
Yes,
Yeah. You guys eat all that fish last night?
we ate a lot.
Nice.
Get going. You good?
He's like a pirate, literally.
The first one never go.
Punch in the face.
First thing as soon as we launch, fat hook up.
I don't know. We didn't land yet. We didn't land yet, boys. That's my bye, bye.
Nice.
One down. Sun never came out yet.
We all thought he snagged. I thought he snagged the rock at first, but that happened so fast.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yes, one down, boys.
Here's the Doritos.
Oh, that's so epic.
The first light bite, Bento!
Yeah, those are mine. I scarred it up. Yes,
Oh, what you looking for?
we're looking for bait o Paulo. Vamos natin. I don't know what to do.
So what's this right there?
This is a rescue beacon. It's basically an e-perb, so you can find basically the Coast Guard satellite, pinpoint the location where it is. So one of those things, if you never hope you need to use it, but if you do, basically the same one that he has.
Yes, sir.
Right here.
Super safe out here.
But you can take this down to 100 meters, waterproof. So that's what the idea is. One of those things you never want to use, but it's insurance out here.
We follow watch. You just, the hope is that thing will go slack, and then you're on. But sometimes you gotta like jerk them like chicken in front of the eyes. A little bit more loose. Oh, there we go. On a bar, boys.
Nice, man.
That might keep them. Oh my God, there's big marks. Look, there's predators. You see that above the scoop?
Yeah.
Get in, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got bait.
Kaimani spotted some predators on the fish finder, so I start chumming up the waters to see what comes in. A glowing chain of salps drifts in. These are gelatinous plankton linked together. Each dot is its own animal. I dive past the chain and I notice on the bottom right corner there's a big ono. The water's a little murky, but he seems to be coming in. I'm trying to play this as smoothly as possible because I can tell he's a little timid. I start to apply a little pressure on him and I can see him start to turn. He's swimming away, but he's swimming right towards Brother Kaimani's live bait. I swim up to the surface and I tell Kaimani an ono's coming.
Yeah.
Oh, what you got?
Oh, you guys is over here dilly-dallying.
Whoa!
Check them out.
Where are you?
Monoliter circle hookers. Right to the top of his mouth.
Nah.
Some logs today, boys. Yes, sir.
After Brother Kaimani stole my ono, I wanted to take the reef gun down to the depths. It's 170 feet here, but our visibility is only about 60 feet. So I'm diving to 100 to see what's lurking down below. I level out and a kamanu swims in. Onos love eating kamanu, and so do I. He's headed straight towards this piece of palu, so I'm trying to line up my shot. But then he decides to go down for the one below, and then he skips that one, so I don't know what this guy's doing. I continue to track him, and then I notice 3 more kamanus pop out. He joins the school, and he's trying to swim past me, but I got my sights locked in.
Hey, watch the kamanu. Maybe ono might come in on it.
I dangled a kamanu for about 30 minutes, hoping it'll attract some onos, but no luck, so I start reeling them in.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh!
Some ono candy right there, huh?
Yes.
Little snacky poo.
This is big, almost full grown this size.
We are burnt out, drifting in the blue, so I fire this blue water cannon. And now we're gonna go try our luck with some deep sea bottom fishing. Go get lucky at the Mexican restaurant.
Bentos.
I think so. 30 meters, 30 meters. Holla, boys. Ehu. Oh, nice one, too.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Woo! From the depths.
That's a really good eating fish.
Yeah, this is an Ehu. Pink snap.
Shishi.
Ay.
Nice fish.
Those schlabbies in there.
Fun 2 days.
It's a fun 2 days,
That was
bro.
amazing 2 days, man.
Yes, the mandatory ice and ice cream.
You haven't even re-up yet.
Oh, the last one. Just for you. It's the HammaH Jang 3000.
We're gonna grab a couple smoothies from South Corner Grinds.
Strawberry lily, 2 of those.
Fresh lily koi with a little spice on it. So good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Getting ready for the Konolo number 3.
Hana pee hana papa. For the final meal, we're gonna whip up some fresh ono ceviche. First, we're gonna cut up the amazingly fresh ono, add some lime juice, dump some lemon juice, cut up some tomatoes, some cilantro, cucumbers, onion, red bell pepper, and mix it. Some fresh ono ceviche. This guy's ready.
Oh, you got him, Uncle, you got him.
That lime and lemon adds that like zesty tanginess to it, and catching it on the HammaH Jang just adds that wow factor to it. That's about as fresh as it gets. We just caught that today.
You gotta break them up.
We're gonna enjoy our dessert. We had an awesome 2 days. Caught a lot of really nice fish. Mahalo to Brother Kaimani, mahalo Kai, and mahalo ʻāINA.